How to register in Newsbreak. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about registering a new account in Newsbreak application. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Newsbreak application on your mobile device and simply launch it. Once you launch the app, you will be taken to the sign-in portal where you can go ahead and sign in directly with your email address and password if you already have created an account, or you can go ahead and tap on the new user icon from the bottom of the screen and then tap on sign up. Now in the sign up page, simply enter the correct form of your name in the first field, followed by the email address that you'd like to use in the second field. After that, simply enter the correct form of your password in the third field. Now enter the phone number that you'd like to associate with your account and then tap on sign up. Simply save your interest for the content experience and select it. Tap on save interest in the bottom of the screen and you will be logged in. So that's all for this video. Now you can scroll down and go through all the news in the Newsbreaker app. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.